Hello and welcome back to Thamara's garden. Today I am sharing with you some top 5 secrets of growing healthy CC plant. This CC plant we all know that is one of the best low maintenance plant, good for beginner gardeners, and also this is one of the best feng shui plants and one of the best air purification plants. So the tip number 1 is this plant is a low maintenance plant, but keep it in a shady area where it get the filtered sunlight or the indirect sunlight. That is tip number 1. Tip number 2, if the plant leaves are getting yellow, you will have to remove it immediately and see to the root cause. Now this one I planted some days back, and I can see that the roots have not developed properly and there's something wrong with this plant, so I will have to repot it. If the plant is getting yellow leaves, that means this plant is getting either too much of water or too much of sun. So this is a common problem in ZZ plants. Remove it immediately, or so cut that branch out of the plant and you will have to repot it somewhere else with new soil. So that is tip number 2. These yellowing leaves are a common problem in ZZ plant. When it comes to watering, do not water this plant too much. They can at least go for 1 week without watering. You can check the soil before you water, but never do over watering because it might get root rot. So that is tip number 3. Once in a week, just spray the leaves of this plant. That is very beneficial because these plants can be clogged by dust and dirt. So give it a spray, and also if you can't do that, you can just wipe the leaves with a wet cloth. That is tip number 4. This is really very good for the plant leaves to look fresh and clean. This plant can be easily propagated by leaves. I will do a separate video about that, but easily propagated by leaves and cuttings, and you can get more plants out of the same mother plant. So grow healthy CZ plant using these top secrets. And thanks for watching. If you are new, consider subscribing to Thamara's Garden.